I've owned this Magic Bullet for over 6 years. If your Magic Bullet is getting loud in the morning, especially in the home with family members and they're getting annoyed, here's an easy fix. This is what it sounds like before. And this is what it sounds like fixed. You do have the option to replace out your cross blades base, and you have the option of multiple blades. It normally comes with a gasket. You can give it in different kits. Here I'm showing you how easy it is to just swap it out. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.